everybody, this is Nirmal Chawla and I'm once back again with an update related to UK. So today the UK Home Office has announced that they will be increasing the international student maintenance charges from 2nd January 2025. Earlier when we were making an application outside London, we were showing about £1,023 per month, which is all set to increase to £1,136 per month. Similarly, when we were making an application for inside London or for London, we were showing about £1,334, which is all set to increase to £1,483. This clearly indicates that when we make an application after 2nd January, we'll have to show more funds. So I would like to advise my students and clients that we still have an option today. We are representing Bloomsbury Institute in London, which has a deadline for CAS by 30th of September. And the courses start in October. So if you're interested, our numbers are mentioned below. Please be free to get in touch with us and we look forward to see you. Thank you.